Today we are flying one of the most unique first class routes, Emirates' famous Freedom Flight from Sydney, Australia to Christchurch, New Zealand. In this review we'll take you inside both the Qantas First Class Lounge and the Emirates Lounge at Sydney Kingsford Smith Airport before stepping on board the iconic Emirates Airbus A380. We'll show you the private suites, the shower spa, the famous onboard lounge bar, the dining experience, and everything else that makes Emirates First Class one of the most talked about products in commercial aviation. So come along and experience the journey with us. Let's begin with bag drop. Our check-in is quick and efficient, exactly what you'd expect when travelling first class. Within minutes our bags are tagged through to Christchurch and we're on our way. Next we head through security and immigration. Once airside, we take a leisurely walk through Sydney Airport's duty-free precinct before making our way up the escalator to the Qantas First Lounge. As the glass doors open, we're immediately welcomed by the lounge's stunning living green wall, one of the signature design feature, and a beautiful introduction to the experience ahead. At the top of the escalators sits the classic split flap departures board. It may be old-fashioned, but it brings a timeless charm that reminds you of the golden age of air travel. Looking around, it's easy to see why this is considered one of the finest airline lounges in Australia. Polished marble covers the floors, walls and bar, while floor-to-ceiling windows provide sweeping views across the tarmac where aircraft come and go throughout the day. The open kitchen and marble bar become the centrepiece of the lounge. Fresh coffee made to order, premium teas are available throughout the day, and guests can enjoy champagne, wines, cocktails and spirits before boarding. One of the best seats in the lounge is right at the bar, where you can watch the chefs preparing meals in the open kitchen. The lounge offers plenty of comfortable seating, from oversized armchairs, perfect for relaxing, to full dining tables where guests can enjoy restaurant quality meals. For travellers needing to work before departure, there is a dedicated business centre complete with desks, seating and printers. Throughout the lounge you'll also find several self-serve beverage stations, making it easy to grab a drink whenever you like. The restrooms continue the same premium design with marble finishes, spacious layouts and quality amenities, all kept immaculately clean. Tucked behind another set of glass doors is the Qantas Spa, where eligible first class guests can enjoy a complimentary treatment before their flight. It's one of those little touches that transforms airport waiting time into part of the luxury experience. For breakfast, we decide to make the most of the lounge's renowned dining. Today's selection includes a refreshing berry juice, the signature breakfast, fluffy pancakes, a fresh bowl of fruit, and perfectly brewed coffee. The presentation is excellent, and it's a wonderful way to begin the journey. With breakfast finished, it's time to compare another premium lounge. We leave the Qantas First Class Lounge, wander through the terminal and make our way towards the Emirates Lounge. Walking inside, the atmosphere immediately changes. Behind reception sits an impressive scale model of the Emirates Airbus A380. Warm timber finishes, rich brown tones and elegant furnishings create the classic Emirates look that's instantly recognisable. It's an eye-catching display that we'd happily find room for it at home. Compared with the Qantas First Class Lounge, the Emirates Lounge feels much more intimate. There are plenty of lounge chairs and dining tables, although the layout feels notably more compact with less open space. A self-service buffet offers light meals, snacks and refreshments throughout the day, while the bar provides a selection of wines, spirits, beers and soft drinks. The bathrooms are spacious and include showers, basins, toilets and premium amenities for guests wanting to freshen up before departure. After a quick look around, it's time to head to our gate. Waiting outside is today's aircraft, the magnificent Emirates Airbus A380. Even after all these years, the A380 remains one of the most impressive passenger aircraft ever built. Boarding begins, and one of the great benefits of travelling first class is being invited on board before almost everyone else. Turning left at door 1, we enter the exclusive first class cabin. Today we're flying in Suite 2K. As the flight isn't operating at full capacity, the cabin crew have kindly let us use one of the centre suites to demonstrate the bed setup, which we will check out later. It gives you a much better view of how Emirates transforms the suite into a full flat bed. This aircraft features Emirates' refreshed first class interiors with elegant cream and brown tones, replacing much of the gold found on earlier cabins. The result feels modern, sophisticated and quite luxurious. Each private suite is fully enclosed with electronic operated sliding doors, creating your own personal space in the sky. Waiting at every suite is an incredibly comfortable leather seat facing a crisp 32-inch 4K entertainment screen powered by Emirates' award-winning ICE entertainment system.
You can do all the seat adjustments right here.
Beside the seat is a secondary touchscreen allowing you to control your entertainment, lighting, seating position, privacy door and window blinds without reaching for the main screen. Storage throughout the suite is excellent, with dedicated compartments for shoes, laptops, headphones and personal belongings. There's also a notebook and Emirates pen waiting for you, a small keepsake you can take home after the flight. A vanity mirror, cosmetic storage and additional suite accessories are neatly integrated into the design. A personal minibar sits beside the seat and rises elegantly at the touch of a button. It's one of those features that's both practical and a little bit fun. Before long, boarding is complete, the cabin doors close, it's time for pushback and departure. Watching takeoff through the A380's external cameras is one of those experiences that never gets old. The nose camera and tail camera provide a completely different perspective as the giant aircraft lifts gracefully into the sky. Once airborne, it's time for breakfast. Well, breakfast number 2. One of the joys of first class is never having to worry about going hungry. While our meal is being prepared, let's take a closer look at today's menu and drinks selection. Everything is served individually and beautifully presented, allowing guests to dine at their own pace rather than following a fixed service schedule. The quality, presentation and attention to detail are exactly what you would expect from Emirates First Class. To finish the meal, we're offered a beautiful selection of luxury chocolates presented in an elegant keepsake box. Next, let's take a look inside the Emirates First Class Bvlgari Amenity kit. Inside you'll find premium skincare products, lip balm, fragrance, aftershave, a dental kit, deodorant, shaving cream, a razor and brush, all beautifully packed inside a luxurious leather style pouch. Now it's time to visit one of the A380's most iconic features, the Emirates Shower Spa. For an aircraft bathroom, it's remarkably spacious. Inside you'll find a large vanity area, toilet, premium voyeur amenities, heated flooring and, of course, the famous shower. Each first class passenger receives a dedicated shower booking with approximately 5 minutes of running water available during the session. It's an unforgettable experience and one of the defining features that sets the Emirates A380 apart from almost every other commercial aircraft. Back at our suite, the cabin crew have transformed the seat next to us into a fully flat bed, complete with mattress, duvet and pillows. It looks exceptionally comfortable and is easily one of the best sleeping experiences available in commercial aviation. Now it's time to visit another signature feature of the Emirates A380, the famous onboard lounge bar. Reserved exclusively for first and business class passengers, it's a social space unlike anything found on most aircraft. The bar offers premium spirits, cocktails, champagne, wines and soft drinks, alongside a selection of canapes and snacks. A large screen also streams live flight information and selected live sporting events, making it an enjoyable place to stretch your legs during the flight. On our walk back, we pass through the business class cabin for a closer look at Emirates' latest business class product. It's another beautiful designed cabin with direct aisle access for every passenger, and a spacious layout that continues Emirates' premium feel throughout the upper deck. Returning to our suite, the cabin lighting has gradually transformed into warm ambient mood lighting, creating a calm and relaxing atmosphere as we continue across the Tasman Sea. Like all good journeys, this one seems to pass far too quickly. Before we know it, the crew begins preparing the cabin for arrival. Seats upright, window shades open, one final look outside. The spectacular landscapes of New Zealand slowly appear beneath the wings as we descend towards Christchurch. So, the Emirates experience, from exceptional lounges and outstanding dining to private suites, an onboard shower spa and one of the most iconic bars in the sky, Emirates First Class on the Airbus A380 continues to deliver an unforgettable premium travel experience. We booked this flight using our Qantas points, and if you're ever wondering whether Emirates First Class lives up to its reputation, this journey certainly makes a compelling case. Welcome to Christchurch. From the skies, the seas, and everywhere in between, thank you for joining us on another adventure. Please give it a like, hit those subscribe and notification buttons, and leave a comment below. Until next time, see ya.